Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another tutorial video. And today's tutorial video is based on Cash App. So it's on how you guys can transfer money to somebody on Cash App. Since Cash App is a money related app where you guys can send and receive money, and its official job is to send and receive money. So that's basically what we're going to be doing in today's video, and it's pretty simple since the app was developed to send and receive money. All right, so without me talking more, let's get into the video. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video, because we're going to be bringing more Cash App related video in the future. So if you guys want to know about Cash App more, then you guys can subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's dive into the video. So the first thing is you want to open your Cash App. So you want to transfer money to your friend on Cash App, right? So basically, first thing is you want to enter the amount of money you want to transfer to your friend. So the first thing is you want to load money into your Cash App by linking your debit card or your bank account. After doing that, you can, load money from your bank or your debit card into your Cash App. After loading the money, you can send the money to your friend. So let's say I want to send $12. I can enter $12 over here. After I enter that, I can click on where it says pay. Once I click on pay, I can enter the name of the person or the cash tag of the person or the SMS or the email. The main thing is you cannot enter a mistake name or cash tag. If you enter a mistake name or a mistake cash tag of the person and the money is sent to a wrong person, then basically you guys can't recover the money, because the money you once sent cannot be recovered. All right, so that's basically how Cash App works. So be careful while writing the name of the person over here to whom you want to send the money. If it is gone to a wrong person, then your money is gone. And over here you want to add a note if you guys want to. It is not compulsory. If you guys want to add a note, you can. If you guys don't, then you don't have to. Then after you enter the name or cash tag of the person, you can click on pay and the money will be transferred to that person. So that's basically how easy it is to pay money to somebody using Cash App. So hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video, and it helps our channel to grow. And you guys can also share this video to your friend if they are confused on how they can transfer money to somebody on Cash App. It will help them a lot by solving their problem. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and peace out.